this and that toys.
Hey guys! I was pretending to be, I don't know. Today we're gonna find the elves and open our event, and it's gonna be fun. So let's start.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go in here. Whoa! What is all this? We have to bring weapons to protect us from your dog. He is still learning that we are special.
Oh no.
Oh.
What did they bring for a weapon?
They bring poop shooters, like poop slingshots.
They brought poop
Yeah.
to protect them from our
Wait,
dog?
what is this? What is this? There's something right here.
Oh, you got
This
a note?
is for you to color over the next year. So take your time and make it nice for us. We look forward to seeing how creative you can be. We always get gingerbread houses in the North Pole, so we thought you could do something different for us. We love ice cream as much as cookies. Have fun. P.S. We still eat the cookies you make today. We will still eat the cookies you make today.
So what do they want you to take and color this over the next year for them?
Yeah.
And it is an ice cream truck.
Yeah. An ice cream truck.
Wow, it's got a little sign out front. What's
Go
going on inside?
I'm going inside.
What's going on inside? Let's see if I can see in there with you.
Is that poop?
Where? Is there poop in? Oh, is that poop? Seriously? Uh-oh. Who pooped? Wait, who pooped? That looks like poop.
It looks like poop.
Is it real poop?
No.
Oh, thank goodness,
It's
because you
fake.
just picked it up.
Yeah.
Ew, they covered everything in fake poop.
I can't get in. Wait, is this chocolate money? Look at it.
Oh, what's Pretty have?
Pretty has a cash register. Is this chocolate money? Oh, sorry.
They left you money?
Is this chocolate money? It is.
They left you chocolate money?
I love chocolate money. I haven't got to have it in a long time.
Mm.
I'm so excited! Look over there!
What?
They left this.
Oh, they left it to tell you, kind of show you what it looked like?
Yeah.
What you could do to it?
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
What's this? Oh, it's just...
Oh, and they left their trash too.
They left the trash pop-outs.
Aren't they great?
Yeah.
I love these elves.
Yeah, me too. I love them more than you do.
Well, obviously, they never leave you anything to clean up. They like to make sure I have to work hard. So let's take a look over this thing.
Wait! What is Lucky doing?
That little train?
Wait, sorry, Lucky.
You just throw him off.
That's so cool.
Oh,
Wait,
it obviously
let's connect
works.
them.
It's a little wind-up train. He took the center of the table and set up his train.
Yeah.
How cute is that?
I need to get it back together. There. And then... I guess Lucky can do fun things too.
Oh, poor Lucky.
Sorry,
He says,
Lucky.
"You're here. I can't hold on anymore."
I can't get it to go. I can't get it to go.
Here,
Sorry.
Put it back on the. Let's see if we can get it back on the track. Push this down like this for me. Let's see if we twist this. Keep it, holding it down. Don't let go of it until I tell you to. Oh, it's fast.
No.
Oh no! It's pretty fast.
Go, Lucky, go!
Let's move that. Oh, he came off his track. That's how fast it is. Huh, that's fun. Looks like Lucky was riding a train all night. That's neat.
But wait,
But wait,
they brought stuff.
they
There's
did?
stuff in
Well, can I
here.
see it? Let's see. Let's see what we got. Zulu here with his poop protection from our crazy
But no,
puppy,
the elf
apparently.
pets.
Oh, the
Ow,
elf.
I'm getting poked by dog toys.
The elf pet brought you stuff inside.
First, they brought us poop.
Ooh, let me see.
Three poops.
Piles of poop.
3 piles of
You
poop.
should throw that in your brother and sister's room. That would be funny.
Yeah. That would be fairly funny.
Oh, set it inside their doors so when they wake up, they'll think the dog pooped in their room.
There's these Sugar Rush Cloud Sands.
Ooh, Sugar Rush Clouds.
They're jelly donut. No, this one's jelly donut. This one's cotton candy. Oh, and there's birthday cake.
And birthday cake. Ooh, whose birthday is it in a couple days?
Jesus.
That's right.
And we have these too.
Looks like you'll have to color those.
And also, there's, oh, sorry, Mary. There's money stickers. There's dollar bills, $5 bills, $10 bills. And there's these ice cream stickers.
Nice. So that's how you decorate? Let's see.
Kinda. Yeah.
So these look like all the pieces that you would use in your cash register after you eat all your chocolate money. Right?
Yep. Look at. There's these too. They're cotton candy cuties. Right? Yeah. Cotton candies. They're cotton candy.
Can I eat it?
No.
Okay.
Look at, I can stick my head
Let's see. It says yum up here.
up. I see Christy right here.
Can you see her through there?
Yeah.
Spying on her.
And I see Zulu's butt. It looks like Zulu just pooped.
Oh, great. Zulu, no pooping on the ice cream truck. Well, that's fun. Should we get all of it out of there?
Yeah. I need another one of candy.
You need more candy.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, you've been eating like an elf lately.
I am an elf.
Well, this is pretty cool, so we'll have to start working on this. You have a year to get it done, it looks like.
Yeah.
So when they come back, they expect a fun truck to play in.
Yeah.
That's neat. It's got lots of sprinkles and ice creams, and oh, look at the back of it. There's a little door in the back. That's how she got in. And it says ice cream.
It says ice cream, ice
It's got
cream,
cute
ice
little
cream.
pictures down there.
Ice cream, ice cream. What is this? What are these?
Oh, the tail lights,
Oh.
because it's a truck. You gotta have lights on your truck. There's little headlights on the front. And a little fluffy dog checking everything out.
Reggie, do you want to go
Although
inside?
he's not the one who's dangerous
You wanna
to
go
our
inside?
elves.
Come here, come here, come on, come inside.
That's not who they're protecting themselves from.
Go inside.
Oh no, Adalia! You just threw the elf.
Zulu!
You threw Zulu.
Reggie, stay back.
Alright, I don't think you have to worry about Reggie. I
Let
will
me
watch.
get the tongs.
I'll watch Zulu for his safety.
Where are the tongs? Are here. Zulu, I'm so sorry. You got thrown around twice. In 2 days in a row. He was like this, right?
I think so. Yeah, he was sitting up there.
Here's your poopy shooter.
You make his poopy shooter for his protection.
Here's your poop shooter.
There you go. Then he should be able to hold it like that, right?
Sorry, Zulu.
Zulu.
Christy fell over.
It's because you're such a brute.
It's
Trying
hard to get it in and out of this thing, okay?
You were trying to shove the dog in with you, that's why.
Sorry.
Oh my, oh my. I just don't know.
There's your side.
Look at all that poop in there. That looks gross. That's too funny.
Reggie, do you want to go inside still? Do you want?
Probably not.
Let's look at frozen treats.
Oh, so you can make a
I can
list.
make my own menu.
That's awesome. That's cool.
But for now, it's just gonna be like this.
Yeah.
Cause what did you please come inside?
Well, this would be a fun project to work
inside
on.
with me.
He doesn't want to. Now move on, Adalia.
Aw. But there's still one more fun thing to do.
And that would be
Doing this.
the
The
advent.
advent calendar. Today is the 23rd. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve.
You've been waiting forever to say that. Tomorrow's
That was Christmas Eve.
Yeah.
Should I punch it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oopsie. It's another one. It's another Orbeez. The squashy fruit.
Another squashy?
Another squashy fruit.
Another squashy
Give it
squashy? What kind is it?
It's a strawberry.
Ooh.
I've never ever seen one. A strawberry like this.
You've never seen it? Let me see. Squeeze it for us. Is it squishy mushy?
Yeah. Why wouldn't it be?
I'm just asking if it's super squishy or just a little squishy.
Really squishy.
I wonder if that one will stick to the ceiling as well as the banana did.
I don't want to try it.
You don't have to try it. It's fine.
It does.
Oh, there
Now
it is.
it's stuck up there.
Oh, no.
Mom, get on the chair and grab it.
You're gonna make me climb on a
Get on
chair?
the chair and grab it.
Oh, she's trying to kill me. She's trying to kill me, guys.
I'll hold the chair.
She wants me to grab a chair. Where is it? Climb around and get that. Let's see if we can do it.
I'll hold the chair.
Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh, it is so stuck. Wow, that is sticky. That was hard. That was super sticky, girl. It's amazing. Well, this should be a fun day. Today is our cookie making day.
Oh yeah, we get to make cookies for Santa.
Yeah.
But should we open up the surprises the elves brought us? I'm gonna start with these two.
See that? A cool yellow.
Yeah. There we go. Got it.
Ooh. How does it smell? Does it have an odor? Does it have any kind of good smell?
Yeah, all of them are scented. It smells like lemon. Ooh. Okay, I think we should get onto the strawberry one now. Or the pink one, because I think it's meant to smell like, supposed to smell like strawberry.
Yeah, that one takes
Oh,
the seal
yeah.
off. You gotta take the seal off. It might be easier, Goofball.
Strawberry. Try to smell it through the packaging.
Can you smell that one yet?
Yeah. Okay, we got it out. Look at it. Wee. Stretch it. I gotta stretch it really long. Woo! Nope. Woo!
And these are called what? These are those.
Cotton candy. Let's start on these now. Okay, this one is birthday cake. This one is meant to smell like birthday cake. Oh! It's just like kinetic sand, except it's more sand. Does it smell? It smells so good.
Does it smell like birthday cake?
Yeah. It's kind of stretchy, not really though.
It's a cloud sand.
Yeah.
So it's thicker than like a kinetic sand, but not as thick as a cloud slime. So it's kind of like in between. So it's a totally different kind of
So this one's
texture.
was birthday cake. Look at how cute it is.
They have cute little faces, huh?
Yeah.
It actually reminds me of the ice cream shop.
Yeah.
It does. It looks like the ice cream.
Maybe I can sell that
Truck.
in my shop.
Oh, there you go. It could be one of the items that you have for sale.
Yeah.
Sugar Rush cloud. Ooh, that could be go on your list.
Ah.
Which one is this?
This one is jelly donut.
Jelly donut.
I don't really know what jelly donut's supposed to smell like. Oh, and it fell out. It fell out again. smells like kind of like grape.
Well, grape's a kind of jelly.
Yeah. Grape is grape is the flavor of jelly that I think of when I think of jelly donuts. Ooh, ah. I'm not really taking all of it out, just because that was jelly donut. This one is cotton candy. Cotton candy.
Ooh, that's a pretty blue color.
Yeah, this is really pretty. Here, let me smell it. It's not, I can't really smell it that much.
Doesn't it smell like cotton candy?
No, not really.
The other two smelled pretty good.
Yeah.
They were nice and strong.
Do you want us to try and smell?
Sure.
It's kind of messy.
It's more of a sweet smell. Just a...
Yeah.
Yeah, it's there, but it's just a mild sweet smell.
Yeah, yeah.
Like the other two were a little bit stronger.
We're like really strong.
But it smells good. It's
Yeah.
a good smell. It's just not like real strong like the other two, you're right. Well, these would be fun to add to your little slime,
Fidget and
sand
slime.
collection.
Fidget and slime.
Someday we're going to stack up all her slimes and sands and
See
show
how
them.
tall.
Well, just put them all out. Show everybody how many you have.
Kind of.
Maybe you can tell them your top 3.
I think I need to wash my hands now.
Please enjoy this chair while Adalia washes her hands.
Yes, just enjoy how beautiful it is.
With this rustic look of distress.
Yes. If you could see that flower, you would be out in wow. You would be running to your parents like, wow, that's so beautiful. Mom, Dad, you have to see this. It's beautiful.
You're so silly.
Ow!
Our little antique chairs.
They're
Such
so
a goofball.
beautiful. I got my chocolate bunny.
More money, huh? She said more chocolate.
More chocolate
Why didn't they bring us real money? I like real money.
I like chocolate money.
Because they brought what you like, not what I like.
Yeah, because they like me more than you.
Nah.
I'm the one that they came for.
Ah, it's all about you.
Okay, guys, today is the 23rd. It means like a day till Christmas. No, 2 days. 2 days till Christmas. Woo! 2 days! I almost said goodnight, sweet dreams, I love you.
Well, that would have been a funny ending.
Night dreams, love you. Bye. No, for real, I gotta go. It's time to get cleaned up and make our Christmas cookies for Santa. So, make sure to like this video, subscribe, click that bell so you get notified whenever I post a video. And peace! Don't forget to subscribe for more fun videos.